Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Nacho Dad, and today I'm over at my brother's house, and he went and picked up this. It's a vintage three-wheeler of some sort. It's got an old school Springer front end on it. It's got a little bitty tire on the front, but it ain't gonna stay there for long. It's got some 22 by 11 by 8s. Look at that, brand new Carlisle's on the back. Spin around to the back here. This is the cool part. So standard Predator 212, but look at this rear end. So we've got differential, dual band brakes, which are going to get switched over to disc brakes. So we've got tractor brakes. So awesome. And independent rear suspension. So it's got shock mount here and then rod there, and it actually uses this axle as part of the suspension. I've never seen anything like that. It's pretty cool. So if anybody knows what I got here, what we're working on, let me know in the comments below. But stay tuned here over the next couple weeks. We're gonna get this thing running. It's my brother's little project, keep him busy while we're in the quarantine. So yeah, stay tuned. We should have this thing running in a couple weeks. If you know what it is, let me know so I can get parts easier. But until then, see y'all in the next video.